Do you want to learn to meditate on your own but don't know where to start from? Then here is all you need to know. This video will help you to understand the process of meditation through 5 steps. Setting the intention, getting started with meditation, tuning into the meditative space, practicing the set intention, and returning back from meditation. Hello and welcome to Hope and Healing. My name is Monica and let's begin this step-by-step guide for meditation. Step 1. Setting the intention. Before starting the meditation, be clear about your intention for that meditation. The course of meditation depends on your intention. Meditation is done for various reasons, so state clearly the intention in your mind. Today, my intention is to clear my mind. My intention is to be more focused. My intention is to be more in love with myself. My intention is to receive whatever message I need to get at this point of time in my life. From personal development to spiritual growth, meditation can be intended for countless goals. So first be clear, what is you trying to get from meditation? Step 2. Getting started with meditation. In this phase, you begin the meditation by taking the comfortable pose and practicing mindfulness for few minutes. Let's first talk about the posture. All you need to make sure that it is comfortable. This is by far the most common posture for meditation. But there are other poses also. Try them and find the one that suits your comfort. Now, after sitting in the comfortable position, begin the meditation by spending few minutes being mindful. Notice every sound. Notice the smells in your surrounding. Feel the texture of the surface you are sitting on. Feel the touch of wind on your skin. In the next phase, you will zoom in from outside to inside. For now, just sit quietly and enjoy the minute details of the world surrounding you. Step 3. Tuning into the meditative space. Now, it is the time to bring your awareness from outer environment to the inner environment. So start focusing on your breathing. Start noticing the flow of air in your body during each inhale and exhale. Noticing how your chest expands and contracts with each time you breathe in and out. Now here comes the difficult part. Few minutes in the breathing awareness and the thoughts will start sneaking in your mind again. And that is why most of the time people give up on the meditation thinking that it's not for them, as they always get lost in the thoughts while meditating. Well, let me remind you, there is a reason why meditation is being called as a practice, because it requires practice. Practicing to bringing back the awareness to your breathing every time you notice that your mind has started wandering. Keep doing this until you completely tune into the silence. The next step, practicing the set intention. And here is the actual part of meditation, where you practice your set intention. How you would tune into the intention depends upon which method works for you and what is your intention. If your intention is to be mindful, being present, and to be more focused, then continue doing what you have done till now. Keep focusing on your breath and observing each and every sensation in and around you. If your intention is to relax and release the stress, then try to relax and release the tensions in your muscles with each breath to feel more and more relaxed. Scan your body and find the muscles where you feel tensed and then relax them. If you have specific intentions for personal development, then you can tune into that by using repeated affirmations. For example, if your goal is self-love, then repeat the affirmations of self-love. I love myself. I am worthy to be loved by me. Good, bad, or ugly, I accept everything about me with love. Repeating affirmations are used to condition your mind with a new belief or perspective. So you can include them in your meditation when your mind is undisturbed with any other thoughts. If you want to know more about the affirmations, click the link in the I button. The other method that can be used during meditation is visualization. For example, if your intention is to manifest a specific goal, then imagine yourself having that goal fulfilled. Imagine every small detail and live it like it is real at this moment. Feel how you are feeling when you accomplish what you desire. This is again conditioning your brain for a new perspective about you. Similarly, visualization is used for energy balancing, healing, and other intentions for spiritual growth. Now, which method you should use, that is up to you. You can choose any one method or combination of methods. You can choose either affirmations or visualization, or you can combine both of them. Returning back from meditation. For coming out of meditation, you do the reverse process of what you did when you started your meditation. In beginning of meditation, you shifted the focus from outside to inside. In the end of meditation, you take your awareness back from inside to outside. To end the meditation, take 3 deep breaths and fill your mind and body with the feelings of meditative space you just created. Have the intention to keep these feelings within you as you go on with your day. Now shift your focus from breath to your outer environment. Once again, start noticing the sounds, smells, textures, and sensations on skin. And whenever you are ready, slowly open your eyes. You will feel the numbness in your body parts for a while, so do not hurry and take your time. So that was the step-to-step guide to practice meditation on your own. I hope it helps. If it does, make sure to let me know in the comment section below. Consider hitting the subscribe button if you like the content, and do share to help this channel grow. Thank you very much for stopping by.